Hey everyone, Brian Morris here, Storm Trader. Just wanted to go over a couple of things and show you some trade setups here. This is previous data. This is actually August 28th. Not market open, but we start trading at 8 a.m. and I just wanted to go over some trades and show you what you can do. So we're going to go throughout this. There's no trade here because it already broke resistance and did a recharge here, so that's no trade. So there's a three tail, but we only take three tails close to the EMAs. So here's an opportunity. Yes, so we've got a double top here, what I consider a double top. We got the tail touching this resistance area. So you enter at 1850. It needs to get to 1650. I usually try to do 9 ticks, 1625. Let's see if it gets there. Ta-da. 1625 and beyond. Winner one, done. Now that took a little while because that actually completed about 9:25, so it's about an hour and a half in. That usually doesn't happen. The market must have been slow this day. I don't know what this day was, but usually there's a lot more bars between that point. But you can keep going here. Here's another instance here. This is getting a little risky because the market just opened here, but let's see if it works out. Same situation, got a double bottom here. Tails are both touching this support. This actually is an EMA bounce play here because this is a major EMA. So tails touching the EMA. You go long here at 17. You want to get to 19, or for myself, 1925. Let's see if that gets there. Oh, there you go. Here's a classic three tail. So the stop would be just below this candle here, so we're still in the game. Let's see if it got up there. 1925. Perfect. Got it. Another winner. Let's see. Probably would need to stay out for a little while. I usually like to stay out for 10 to 15 minutes after the market opens for it to settle. So we're probably in a good situation here. So here's a good opportunity here. Broke support. Retraced, you're doing a recharge back. Actually, it's a double confirmation because this is an EMA bounce, tails touching the EMA. You go short here at 14. You need to get to 12 or 1175. Let's see what happens here. Boom, got it. And then if you wanted to get back in, you could here. This is another double bottom play. Although I would stress caution here. This looks like a little bit of consolidation here. Quite a few white bars in here for my taste. I probably wouldn't take it, but let's see what happened. Need to go along at 1550. Would have needed to get to 1750. Haven't quite yet, but the stop is down here, so we're not out yet. And you would have been stopped out, so I think so. Yeah, we were trying to get to 1750, right? Yeah. So that's why I wouldn't have taken that one, because it's too much consolidation there for my taste. So we could keep playing. Here's another good one. Oh, classic. This is a great one here. Double confirmation on the double EMA bounce here. Broke support here. Retraced a little bit too high for me back to where it came from. Usually don't like to go more than 3 bars. This 4th bar would kill that play, but definitely would take this short here. So 950. We need to get to 750 or 725. A little bit of a stall there, but it got us there. Kaboom. And again, well, this one I went bar too far, but this one was another. This one I would have went ahead because there's enough space here with these red bars to go long here. Go long at, we still don't know if it's a winning trade. 76.08. You want to get to 76.10. Here, or 25 if you're going for the 9 ticks. So let's see if we get another bar up, and we do. So, and it's not even 10 o'clock. I don't know how many trades that was. When did we start? We got our first one at like 9:30 here, right? Yeah, we went long here. So there's one. I can't remember. Did we do? Guess I should have marked them. There's at least 3 or 4 trades in there already. So 4 trades at $45 a piece, which is what I go for. 9 ticks would have been 45 times 4, So you'd be up 180 bucks per contract. You know, if you want to trade 5 contracts, you know, that's 900 bucks for the day. You're done. There's actually 252 trading days, I think, if you take away the weekends and all of the holidays that the U.S. has. But, you know, sometimes life happens and you don't get to trade, so I take 12 more out just to round down to 240. So whenever I'm figuring annually, I figure 240 trading days. It could be less, could be more. But, I mean, you know, 5 contracts, just took 4 trades. Boom. It's a nice salary for the year. I mean, you could keep going and keep going. I mean, this is a month and a half ago, so I clearly don't know what's going on here. Here's one. Let's see, it broke resistance. It's retracing back. Let's see if we get perfect. So we want to go long here at 17. We want to get to 19, 19.25. We want to get about up here. Let's see if we get there. Well, this one's stalling a bit. It would have been close. It would have touched our stop, but it got there. So it was a close one. Our stop would have been right down here, and it was 1 tick up above that, but ultimately it would have won. So we would have got in at 17, and it clearly made it all the way up there. So that one would have been a close one, but it would have still won. Here's another EMA. There's too many white candles here. I would have stayed out, even though it looks like this one's still going to be a winner. I wouldn't have played that one. That one's not a good enough one for me. We're still too much consolidation. I would wait for this to kind of clear out a bit, and there it goes. That would have taken this one short. 950. We want to get down to 750 or 725. Down here, let's see if we get another bar. And we did. Froze up. So, yeah, we want to get down to here for the 9 ticks, and we got there. So, let's see, it probably continues to go back down. Yeah. And your stop would have been, even if you got in later, there's extra slippage. Once you got in here, your stop would have been up here. Once this candle's created, you would have been up here. So I guess you would have been stopped out had you gotten too many ticks. But it gave you, I mean, if you were going for 50, 1, 2, 3, yeah, there's several ticks of opportunity of slippage in there, so you'd have been okay. So we don't play any of these. There's no qualifying trades here. Now this one does, but didn't set up. Let's see if we get one here. We did not. Another setup. Okay, here we go. Came back down. This one was a tough call because I believe the body is touching this one. This one's too close for me. It won, but I wouldn't have taken it because it's too close. But this one broke support. Came back for a recharge. Heading back down. You get in at 99. You're looking for 97 or 96.75. Got a 3-tail, and we got our first loser. So, I mean, what was that? It's like 7 winners and 1 loser. So let's see. Losers are usually $70. So let's see. And we had what, 7? Call it 7 winners. So 315 minus the 70 we lost. Say we're trading 5 contracts. Not a bad day. Not a bad day. Minus commissions, of course. If that were, what, 8 trades. For me, with all fees, my commissions are like $260. But I mean, child's play when you're considering the amount of money here. This is for 8 trades for 1 contract. If you were trading 5 contracts, it would be times 5. But if you were still, what was it, 125 or something like that? I mean, you're still netting over $1,000 after all commissions and fees for the day. So, pretty good setup. And we could go all day long with this. So, you know, if you want to finish on a winner, let's see if we can find another winner here. This one broke through this resistance, EMA resistance, come back down, so you could go long here at 8. Want to get to 10 or 10.25. Didn't quite make that one either, but we're still in. It could still reverse on us. Ultimately got there, but we probably would have been stopped out of that one. I usually don't like to play these too much off of this because I like to play these support resistance lines here more so than the EMAs, unless it's the 89 EMA. This one's a major one. So like this one has both. The broke resistance, it's retracing back down. Let's see if it gives it to us. It does. You can go along here, 950. You want to get to 1150, 1175. This one should win. Boom. Yeah. So those are stronger in my opinion. The rules still allow you to do it this way. I typically don't trade those very often, unless there's just a strong move that could support a quick pullback, another leg up. But again, you could have got 8. How far did that go? That was 7 ticks. And actually, this wouldn't even been a full loser, because once this white bar here formed, because this one completed, and then you want to move your stop up 1 tick below that, so it would have been at 675. You'd have got it in 8, so it was only a 5-tick loss. So it was only a $25 loss. It wasn't even a full loser if you follow the money management that we teach. So anyway, that's it. We'll call it a day. I mean, I could do this with other days, and I can do other videos if you guys like seeing this. For now, I'm going to call it quits on this video. Just wanted to show a few trades that you could do. I think it's helpful. It was helpful for me to see the trade setups and explain why. That way, when you're learning the system, you kind of understand what you're looking at. And that was helpful for me, and I think it'd be helpful for anybody else watching. So, have any questions? Contact me at thestormtrader@gmail.com. You can go to my website coming up, stormtraderacademy.com. That'll be out here in another month or two. I'll announce that and show you some previews of that as we get closer. It's got some good learning material. You'll have access to a trade room and a chat room with other traders trading the system, so we can all kind of bounce ideas and trades and kind of share and talk to each other through our mistakes and successes, and create a community of traders here. So that's it for today. So we'll see you next time.